Hi everybody! Welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make fried chicken. If you are new here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another notification. And to all who are already a part of the family, thank you so much for your support. Now grab a snack because I am going to show you the details of how to properly do a fried chicken. These are the ingredients I will be working with today. In a second, I will go through the measurements with you. For my brine, to make the chicken tender on the inside, I am going to use a buttermilk substitute for a healthier option. I'll be using coconut milk with apple cider vinegar. And for that crispiness on the outside, I am using flour with baking powder. Before we do anything further, let's not forget this very important step. Wash your chicken. To wash my chicken, I have distilled white vinegar. Then I am going to remove the skin because we can do without the excess fat. If you do not have vinegar on hand, you can use lime juice or lemon juice. Both of them work the same. After I'm done washing my chicken, I'll go ahead and cut them into serving sizes. This is my chicken that I washed and removed the skin. That's 2 sprigs of thyme. To season, I will be using 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning, 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning. If you do not have jerk seasoning, go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. Then I have half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 9 pimento seeds. I will be putting the ingredients in the description box, by the way. Over here in my food processor, I have scallion, onion, and garlic. Even though I have the dry seasoning, to me, the fresh seasoning makes a huge difference with the flavor of the chicken. Then for my buttermilk substitute, here I have 2 cups of coconut milk where I added 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken. Are washed, and now I am covering my container. Next, I'm going to shake it up, put it in the refrigerator, and let it stay for 2 hours to marinate, preferably overnight for best results. I removed my chicken from the refrigerator, and I'm going to allow it to warm up a little bit, not necessarily room temperature, but just allow it about 20 minutes. If you place it in the oil too cold, then it will drop the temperature of your oil significantly and you will not have that crispy chicken. In the meantime, I will prepare my flour. What you don't want is to have a well-seasoned chicken and the outside has no flavor. Okay? So I am using 4 cups of flour just to make the process a little easier. 2 cups will be fine. So I'm going to use 2 containers. To my 4 cups of flour, I'll add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, quarter teaspoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and quarter teaspoon of salt. And then I'm whisking together to make sure the seasoning is evenly distributed in the flour. Now I am going to measure 2 cups of the flour and place in the other container. To make use of time, I will put my oil to preheat. To fry my chicken, I will be using peanut oil because it has a very high smoking point, so I don't have some soggy chicken. So the amount of oil you use will depend on the size of your pot as usual. Using a deep fryer, the chicken will take around 15 minutes to fully cook, but since I'm doing shallow frying, I will do 10 minutes to 15 minutes on each side. For you to know if your oil is hot, just place a wooden spoon in the oil, and if you see some lazy bubbles, that means your oil is ready. I'm going to go ahead and flour my chicken. I'm going to keep one hand dry, one hand wet. So take from the bottom up. I dip first in this flour. Take another piece and place it. Make sure to press on the chicken to get that flour sticking. Shake it off to remove excess flour, and I've poured some of the brine into this container. Then I will dip. Apply in flour. And place on another. Let it rest until the oil is ready. This is our finished product. This just made me hungry, yo. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and let us know in the comment section. Also, tell us what you'd like to see us do next.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and hit that subscribe button. Bye!